Hi my dearmost subscribers and new viewers to my YouTube channel, Channel 27U. A very good Sunday afternoon to you all. Here we go with chapter 9 on my video series in YouTube titled YouTube Lessons. As you know, ladies and gentlemen, Tubebuddy is a fantastic app through which you can manage your YouTube channel in a very proper and a more organized manner. Okay, so today we'll be talking about how to add the extension of Tubebuddy to your YouTube channel. So here we go. So as always, ladies and gentlemen, we go to the Chrome browser. And click on YouTube, and on the three dots which is visible on the upper right corner of my computer screen, this is it. Click on it. You'll see more tools and extension over here. You will be directed to the next page, and from here, as you can see, the beautiful 9 dot. Simply click on it and click on the web store. And in the search window, type Tubebuddy, Tubebuddy. Here it is, Tubebuddy for YouTube. Next thing we're going to do is click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. It's checking. It will take its own time, and we have no other option but to wait. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Tubebuddy has been added to Chrome. So we close this window and go back to the previous one and simply refresh the page from here. And here you can see the Tubebuddy extension has already been added to your YouTube page, but we require to sign in. Okay, so let's click here to sign in to Tubebuddy. Click on sign in with YouTube. Here we go. I would like to sign in with my own channel, that is Channel 27U. Click on it. And you can read it if you like, and simply click on Allow. So ladies and gentlemen, here you can see I have successfully signed in, and then the Tubebuddy logo has been added as extension to my YouTube channel. Okay, so what we do next is we can simply click on this Tubebuddy. Here you can see different dashboard, my videos, all this list you'll get to see. So you can manage your YouTube channel in a more organized manner. Suppose let's click on my videos. So these are the list of my previously loaded video uploads. So you can go for any kind of edit, all these things, or you can go back to other videos and do the necessary changes, management for your YouTube channel. So that's it, folks. I hope this video will come real handy to you and benefit you in some way. So I would like to end up this particular video upload. I hope you like it, and if there is any suggestion or any kind of advice. So ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of my video upload on this particular subject. So see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, keep smiling, and cheers.